Hey Successful, I am so excited to see you today. How are you doing? Let me know in the comments. Today we are going to be doing a 7-step makeup look for beginners, especially those with oily skin like myself. I don't want to waste too much time in the beginning, so we're going to go ahead and get started, and I will explain to you the products as we go through. Let's do it. All right, I do want to time this so you guys can see this is actually pretty quick. And you guys will be able to see the actual time from 0 to when I end. But just keep in mind that it probably will take me a little bit longer because I am explaining to you guys what I'm doing. But nevertheless, this is really, really great for beginners. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the timer right here. I'm starting it. And let's go. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Lock-On Liner Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. And this is in the color Espresso. This is by e.l.f. So you guys can see this is actually very pigmented. This is the one I just filled in. This has that to be filled in. So which is why I don't use a lot, because this stuff is actually very dark. So next thing we're gonna do is our concealer. And this is when we get to the Merit foundation stick. You guys, Merit sent me over this foundation sticks, and I am so pleasantly surprised at how well they apply and how it doesn't make me more oily, because I do have oily skin. You guys, usually if I'm doing makeup, I'm gonna do primer, but this is like a natural look, and honestly, I don't like to put primer on unless I'm doing like a full look. But these foundation sticks are it, because they don't make me more oily, which really surprises me, because you guys, if you're oily, you already know, like, things just make you more oily. But I will say, if you want to do an all-day look, if you're an oily girl, you have to put primer on regardless, okay? But what I'm trying to say is this is like a cream foundation slash concealer stick, but it doesn't like make you like dewy, right? It's just cream. So that's really nice. I really like that about these. So I got this in the colors Amber and Sepia. I will say Amber definitely matches me more. Sepia, I wanted to purposely get darker so I could do a contour type of thing, but that didn't really work how I planned. But now I know that I can go darker to get the look that I want. So here it is right here, and you just pop it open, and they have like a bottom part right here where you can make it come out more and less. But this is what the color Amber looks like. It's so pretty, you guys. You guys can see, like, I have been wearing this, okay? Like, look at that. I actually have been using this a lot. I really like these. It's so easy. And then this is the color Sepia. So yeah, I really like these. Like, for real, I really do. I'm just pleasantly surprised. They are a great product. If you're thinking about getting them, definitely get them. So what I'm gonna do first is use a little like angle brush to line my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use Amber. So they claim that these are supposed to replace both foundation and concealer. And at first I was like, how's that possible? But you guys, it literally does. Like, you don't need both, which is amazing, which makes, you know, life easier when you do makeup. So I'm gonna line these brows, and you guys can see the color, just so you guys can see, like, it's actually a really good match for me. And if you're wondering, like, you know, my color based on this, I'm like a burnt caramel color, I would say, anyway. I don't know, but if you're wondering like what Amber looks like. And so I'm only gonna line the very bottom of my brows. I'm not gonna line the top because I feel like it makes the look less natural looking, in my opinion. Okay, so you guys can see I lined my brows there. And you guys can see the color match looks really good, but you guys will see it even more when I apply it to my actual face. I'm gonna roll this up, and I'm just gonna like apply right here. Look at that match, you guys. Look at that match. It looks so good, right? And so I'm gonna just apply at my T-zone. And I'm also gonna just tackle any dark marks that I have. Let me lift this up. So this is what I'm gonna put, and this is definitely buildable. So if you want more coverage, you can, but I feel like for a natural look, I like a little bit less coverage. So now I'm gonna use, oh wait, let me show you guys what the Sepia looks like. The other color. Yeah, I've definitely taken a lot of time just because I'm talking, but yeah, I was hoping this would be darker so I could do like a contour situation, but that wasn't what happened. But that's fine. You guys can see right here, it's not really darker. It's just like, it's a little bit darker, but it's not as dark as I wanted it to be. I think it's still a really good match for my skin tone. I feel like it's just different undertones. So I'm just putting that here, and just around just a little bit. Like, I don't, And right here too. I feel like I don't have a big need for this. Right there. Oh, and I'm using this brush. It's the e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator. And no, I don't have putty. I just felt like it was going to be great for what I wanted it for, you guys. I don't really know makeup that much. Okay, I went to Ulta one time and I bought these things and I was so proud of myself. And I just love the finish. I didn't apply that much, and just look, guys, look at that. It's so gorgeous. I really love this foundation stick. And I can agree, I don't need concealer and I don't need foundation. Like, I feel like I did both, you know? Because I'm not oily. This is literally just like the lights that are like shining on my face. It's like that sheen. You wanna keep blend. You never blend enough, but I'm gonna stop right now because I feel like I've already taken so much time chatting because I'm on camera. Okay, moving up. So our next step is gonna be bronzer. I'm using the NARS bronzer and it's in the color Laguna 06. All right, so this is what it looks like. And this is gonna be great to add some color to our face without doing too much. So I'm just gonna go like this. I'm not gonna be shy with it. I'm gonna tap and I'm gonna add it right there at the height of my cheekbone on both sides. So right here at my temples and just like do like a little C right there. And I'm also going to do it right here on my eye to add some color without doing eyeshadow. See the difference between this side and this side? No bronzer, bronzer. Like it's the slightest bit of a change, but it's like it adds some definition to your face. And I'm gonna hum right here at my nose bridge. Oh, whatever, we're doing both sides now. You guys, I just feel like that just did something, didn't it? Okay, done. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use this Flower Chrome Crush Pressed Pigment. I got this from CVS. It was just like a random pickup, and I'm so happy I did. And this is great for a highlight. It's like a nice rose gold. Look at that. Look at that rose gold. It's so gorgeous. I definitely wanted more yellow gold next time, but I couldn't find it. All I had is this. And so I'm just going to use this little brush, and I'm going to tap into it. And this is like very, very pigmented. And I'm just going to dab right there at my brow. Yep, just for like the slightest bit of sheen. And we're gonna add some to our cheekbone. I'm gonna stay high because I like that look. Do whatever makes you happy though. And then I put some in my inner corner right here. And next, we want to go ahead and do some mascara. I'm going to use this LA Colors Bold Lash. Actually, my friend told me about this and she told me it comes off really easily. But apparently they changed the formula. But what I do like about it is how small the applicator is. So you can like really get in there. And it like builds really well as well. So, but whatever lash you want to use, I mean, mascara you want to use, go for it. You guys can see that I can really get in there. I also apply a little bit down here, but I don't like to do too much because I just feel like, I don't know, I don't like my bottom lash being too dark. So I just do a little bit. Mascara is done, and then the next step is lip liner. I am using this NYX, is it NYX? Yeah, NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil in the color Espresso. That's it right there. And I like to put like these lines right here to make it look more like plump. Does it work? Honestly, I don't know, you guys. You tell me. And the last thing is some good old Carmex for some gloss. Unless you have lip gloss, you can put lip gloss on. There we go. You guys, this is our full makeup look, okay? And if, in case you're wondering, it took me 23 minutes to do all of that and talk and record this whole entire video. So imagine if I wasn't talking, this would definitely be like 10 minutes max. Because honestly, it doesn't take more than 10 minutes to do this look, okay? So this is really great for beginners. You guys could see that I didn't do anything specific. I didn't have no techniques. I just put stuff on my face at specific places. All right, you guys, that is the full look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. How did I do? And remember, you are a success. Yes, even now. Mwah! God loves you. Don't leave him out. He got you. Bye.